Cheapest universities in Eastern Europe. Studying abroad does not have to mean drowning in debt. Eastern Europe is one of the best regions for students who want quality education at an affordable cost. The countries here offer low tuition fees, low cost of living, and degrees that are recognized across Europe and beyond. Whether you are interested in medicine, technology, arts, or social sciences, Eastern Europe has a wide variety of programs in English and a rich cultural environment that supports learning and personal growth. Here is a list of some of the most affordable universities across Eastern European countries that consistently welcome international students and offer strong academic programs. Landatories of Warsaw. This university is located in the capital city and offers some of the most competitive programs for international students. It provides courses in humanities, international law, social sciences, and political studies. Tuition fees for English taught programs are low compared to Western Europe, and scholarships are also available. The city of Warsaw itself is budget-friendly, with access to student housing, meal plans, and transportation discounts. Jagiellonian University in Krakow. This is the oldest university in Poland and one of the most respected in Central Europe. It is especially strong in medicine, philosophy, language studies, and sciences. Many programs are available in English, and the school has a long history of attracting international students from Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Living in Krakow is relatively cheap, with many student-friendly options for accommodation and meals. Wrocław University of Science and Technology, perfect for students who want a career in engineering, architecture, or computer science. The tuition fees are among the lowest in Europe for technical programs, and the university has a high employment rate for graduates. Wrocław is a lively city full of students and creative spaces, which makes studying here both affordable and enjoyable. Romania. Varian of Bucharest. This is one of Romania's oldest and most respected universities, offering programs in literature, journalism, sciences, and economics. The cost of tuition is very low even for international students. Bucharest also offers affordable student dorms and local food, which helps reduce the overall cost of living. Bolia University in Cluj-Napoca, a multilingual university offering courses in English, French, German, and Romanian. It is well known for business administration, psychology, and computer science. Tuition fees are low, and the city is known for its welcoming attitude toward international students. Polytechnic University of Bucharest. If you are looking to pursue a career in engineering, robotics, or information technology, this is one of the best value universities in Eastern Europe. With low tuition fees and a solid reputation for STEM programs, this institution is a great pick for technical education on a budget. Hungary-Eötvös Loránd University in Budapest, a top-ranked university in Hungary with strong faculties in humanities, education sciences, and psychology. Tuition fees are among the lowest in the EU, and many scholarships are available for international students. The university also has partnerships with global institutions for exchange programs. University of Szeged, known for high-quality education in medicine, pharmacy, and life sciences. This university is both affordable and prestigious. The cost of living in Szeged is lower than in Budapest, making it ideal for students who want to save more while studying. Budapest University of Technology and Economics. This university is a top choice for students who want to study engineering, architecture, or economics. It offers English taught programs with low tuition and great academic resources. Internships and job placements are also available for graduates. Czech Republic. Karls University in Prague. This is one of the oldest universities in Europe, offering programs in medicine, philosophy, and natural sciences. Many English language programs are very affordable compared to other European countries. Although Prague is slightly more expensive than other cities in the Czech Republic, it still remains cheaper than cities in Western Europe. Masaryk University in Brno. Brno is a student city with a strong tech and innovation environment. Masaryk offers high-quality education in social sciences, medicine, and computer science at a very low cost. The university provides several scholarship options, and the cost of living in Brno is quite low. Czech Technical University in Prague. This is one of the most respected engineering universities in the region. It offers English taught programs in software development, civil engineering, and mechanical design. Tuition is affordable and international students benefit from student discounts across transportation, housing, and food. Bulgaria University. Located in the capital city of Bulgaria, Sofia University offers courses in history, philosophy, natural sciences, and international relations. It is very affordable for both EU and non-EU students. Living costs are also among the lowest in the region, and international students are welcomed with various support services. Technical University of Sofia. This university is one of the top destinations for students interested in information systems, telecommunications, and applied sciences. Tuition fees are low, and it offers modern facilities and a high level of practical training. Medical University of Varna. For students interested in healthcare, this is a budget-friendly option for medical studies. Courses are offered in English, and the institution is internationally accredited. Varna also has a low cost of living and a peaceful coastal environment. University of Belgrade. This is the largest and most prestigious university in Serbia. It offers a wide variety of affordable programs in law, medicine, arts, engineering, and economics. Tuition is extremely low, and the quality of education is recognized across Europe. University of Novi Sad. Located in one of the most student-friendly cities in Serbia, this university provides excellent education in environmental sciences, software engineering, and agriculture. International students benefit from low tuition fees and a welcoming atmosphere. Krena Shevchenko National University of Kyiv. Despite the challenges the country has faced, Ukrainian universities continue to operate and welcome students from abroad. This university offers budget-friendly programs in law, humanities, and economics with English, Russian, and Ukrainian language options. Skyev Polytechnic Institute. This is one of the best technical universities in Eastern Europe for those looking to study computer science, cybersecurity, or data analysis. Tuition is low, and many programs are taught in English. Choosing the right university does not mean you have to break the bank. Eastern Europe provides students with a perfect balance of quality, education, and affordability. Whether you want to study engineering in Poland, psychology in Romania, or medicine in Bulgaria, these universities offer internationally recognized degrees, low tuition fees, and rich cultural experience. Start exploring your options early and contact the university of your choice to understand their specific admission requirements, language expectations, and visa processes. Many of these universities also offer scholarships for high-performing students and support services to help you settle. Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.